everyone, I'm kateschwanke and welcome back to my channel for another fun review. JuJuBe sent over their gorgeous classic diaper backpack for me to share with you guys, and I cannot wait to talk all about it because it is stunning and it has so much going for it. I just absolutely love this bag. I have it here in the beautiful Whitney Carson collaboration color Cloud, which features a beautiful bone shade and black trim. And I love this color. It is so pretty. I'd say it's somewhere in between an off-white and a pale beige. The classic backpack comes in 3 colors, Cloud like I have here. It also comes in black and taupe. So first let's take a quick look around the bag. I want to show you guys all the details and features on the outside before we jump onto the inside. But first I want to talk about dimensions. This is a good size backpack, as you guys saw in the very beginning part of this video where I showed you this bag on the body. I'd put it pretty comparable to the Be Right Back, if you've ever owned one of those, and if you haven't, I will link you to a video right here of my review for that. But this bag has a lot of different features on it and just loads of pockets. I love it. So the dimensions on this bag are, it is 12.5 inches wide, 16 inches tall, and 6 inches deep. So it is a good size bag, and you may have noticed I'm struggling a little bit to lift it because I have this bag packed to the brim today. I actually have it packed up for an overnight trip, so I hope that will help anybody who's looking to pack this way because it makes an excellent travel bag, you guys. I feel like it's actually made for travel. This bag weighs in at 2.3 pounds empty. It has 15 storage pockets. The fabric on this bag is so nice. I love it. Not just the color, like I love the color, but I actually love the fabric and I love the lining. It's made of a durable twill weave polyester exterior, and it has this really pretty light colored lining that has a print all over it. I can't wait to show you guys. And the lining is actually treated to minimize odor causing bacteria, so that's awesome. And the best part is this bag is still machine washable, just like all JuJuBe. You have metal hardware. On this particular bag, you have nice black zippers, and you have the vegan leather pulls. You also have a vegan leather trimmed pocket here. There's also a few different magnetic pockets in this bag, including this front one. The magnets are nice and strong and quiet. And as you can see on the front here, you have a double zipper opening. This bag opens all the way down the sides, even slightly underneath, as you can see. And that's because of the way this bag opens up on the inside, and I cannot wait to show you guys that because it is similar to the Be Right Back, but still different. In fact, I think it has something that we have all been kind of asking for with the Be Right Back for forever, and that is the fact that it has gussets, but they can be undone, and this can like totally fold open just like the Be Right Back does, which is amazing. So I love that. You also have another double zipper opening on the very front here on this mommy pocket. This pocket is huge, and I don't actually utilize it as much as I really wanted to in this video, but I just didn't need to put anything different in there than what I have in there, so you guys will get to see that in a minute. You may notice this really squishy, great handle. Like look at that. I love it. It is so comfy on the hand, you guys. I love it. The quality just feels amazing on this strap too. You also have D-rings at the very top here, one on each side, and those can be used for the stroller clips that are included with this bag, and I will show you guys those real quick. So if you have a shopping cart or a stroller you want to hook this bag onto, basically you can just loop it around and clip it, and it's just easy to do quickly, and you can just leave these on your stroller if you want to for quick access. So those are included in your bag. Let's talk about the sides. On this side you have a nice bottle pocket. It has elastic and it is insulated, so it'll keep your bottles nice and cold or warm, whatever you need. On the opposite side you have this type of a pouch. Now this pouch has 2 magnets, one on each side right here and here, and these just keep this pocket nice and secure. So if you have baby wipes that you want to easily access, you can totally do that, or you can do what I have here, which is I have tissues. I have really bad allergies, and especially with fall coming up, I'm gonna need them. So that's what I put in there, but literally because of the way the pocket is made, you could put anything in here. It is a nice wide opening on this pocket, so you could probably even fit a larger bottle in there if you wanted to. There's also a hidden zipper at the very top of this bag, and it goes halfway down on each side of the bag, as you can see. And this is like a laptop sleeve or like a completely separate section of the bag, which is amazing. So if you want to use your bag as a diaper bag or a work bag, travel bag, it just gives you more options to keep things separated. So I really like that. In the very back, you have these beautiful ergonomic straps that are shaped to fit comfortably to your body. You also have these nice straps that are adjustable. Underneath these straps, I love this part. This is what makes me love it the most probably as a travel bag, is that you actually have a trolley sleeve or a suitcase sleeve. So if you don't want to have to carry your bag, or you're trying to baby wear and just do all the things at the airport, you can just slip this right over your suitcase sleeve and not even worry about it. So I love that. I think that's great. So now that we have gone over the outside of the bag, let's go ahead and jump on to the packing portion of this video. Like I said, have a ton of stuff in here, so I'm gonna try and go through it quickly for you guys. On the side here in this bottle pocket, I have a bottle of water. And if you guys see anything in this video that you've gotta have, I will definitely link it down below in the description box for you. And I would love if you guys would shop JuJuBe with me. I will leave my affiliate link down in the description below as well. And you guys can shop through that anytime to help support my channel. Next, let's go through the other side. So over here, I have my sunglasses in this case here. And then as I mentioned already, I have a whole bunch of tissues here. So easy access to my tissues. I'm just gonna go ahead and pull those out too, why not? So I had that many in there. And that's all that I had in that pocket. Let's go ahead and go through the front. In this front pocket here, I have my phone, and I just had it laying flat in there like this, but this is a pretty deep pocket. So I actually had this kind of down here behind this pocket, because see how deep this pocket is? It goes like halfway up my arm, which is really nice. And once again, it is not felt lined. You just have this really nice fabric that they use as the lining as well. So I'm gonna tuck that back down in there. And then it has that magnetic closure that I mentioned. Let's go through the mommy pocket. Nice smooth zippers. So you have this really nice open space in the front here. I feel like you could totally fit a Be Quick in here. You could fit a whole nother pouch. I have a spare pouch over here just for size reference. This is from the Beyond collection from JuJuBe. But that's just, I think, the medium piece. As you can see, it fits in there no problem, just for size reference. Now you have two mesh elastic pockets in the front here. So I'm gonna go through this one first. I have the small piece here from the 3-piece pouch set in the cloud color. Love this size. I feel like it's slightly bigger than a small set piece. So I just have a lot of random things in here. I have some earplugs because I do have this bag packed up for travel, and sometimes the kids get on my last nerve in the car. I also have an oil absorbing roller ball, some chapstick, a folding hairbrush with a mirror, one of my favorite lipsticks, and then I also have some hand cream. So that's all that was in my small pouch. On the opposite side here, I have some eye drops, my hand sanitizer. I have a pill case. This has allergy meds, ibuprofen, anti-nausea medication, and things like that. If I'm traveling in a car for a long period of time, I get car sick. So those are a must. And then I also have these, which are super cute. This is made by Studio O, and what they are is they are a single-use soap sheet. So if you stop at a gas station, they happen to be out of soap, grab one of these guys and you're good to go. I feel like that has happened so many times to me, and when I saw these single-use soap sheets, I loved that for travel, so I had to include it in this video. All right, one quick last thing I wanted to share with you guys is that this particular print collaboration with Whitney Carson also gets you this super cute bag tag, and this says family over everything. I love that. So I wanted to add it onto the side of the bag. But now that we have gone through the outside pockets, let's go ahead and jump onto the inside. I think the thing that I'm most excited about is actually the back pocket of this bag, because I think it's amazing. But let's go ahead and open this up. For this part, I think I'm gonna have it somewhat zipped. That way everything stays in. All right. So this is basically how I had the top packed up. I have a Be Quick on the very top here. So let's go through that. I literally can't remember what I put in here. Oh yeah, okay, so I have some changes of clothes. Since this is an overnight bag, I have one pair of pajamas. So I have this really cute night dress. Love it, so comfortable, I love that one. So those are my pajamas. And then I also have a comfortable change of clothes as well. So I have a pair of Lulu pants, one of my favorite pairs. They're just so soft and comfy. So I have some leggings, and then I have one of their Kate's tees, which is one of my top favorite tees to wear by Lulu. So comfortable. So that is my change of clothes bag, and I just had that right on top. That's all that I had in my Be Quick. Now you can kind of see how I have the rest packed up in here. Can you guys see that super cute lining? I'll go ahead and bring it up closer. I love it. There's little lions, which is fun because I'm a Leo. There's also little airplanes. It says JuJuBe. It also says Whitney Carson in there. So I love it. I love the little airplanes. I feel like, especially since I'm packing it for travel, that just goes so great together. So let's go ahead and go through this pocket too, since that's kind of weighing down the front. But there is a nice pocket here, which is where I am keeping my wallet. This is, I want to say, like a half-size wallet, but it's still pretty thick. And it's just, I love this one. But this is a great place to keep your wallet because you don't want your back, if you're wearing your backpack and you're traveling, you don't want your wallet in an easy to reach place for anybody, except for you, which is gonna be on the inside of your bag. So this pocket is great for that, or just any smaller things that aren't gonna weigh down the front of your bag too much. So let's go through the rest. Slowly but surely, I'll peel the rest down here. We'll go ahead and go through this side first. I have a book. I'm currently reading Howl's Moving Castle, my favorite movie of all time, and I was like, I've got to read the book too, and it's completely different than the movie. So I'm really enjoying this one, and I'm almost done. I'm gonna go ahead and take this out and then lay it down because I think it's gonna, oh, no, it's gonna stand. Okay, that works for me. So I have another one of the pouches from the Beyond collection. I hope they bring these back because I love them. But in here, I just have all of my makeup and things. It's all bare minimum makeup, so foundation, blush, eyebrow pencil, primer, concealer, mascara, that kind of stuff. And then I also have moisturizers and face wash and things like that down in there. If you don't already have one of these for your face sponges, I highly recommend you get one. It keeps it just away from everything else, so you don't have to worry about it discoloring the inside of your pretty bags. So that's what I had in that front part. In the very back of this bag, I'm gonna go ahead and unzip this the rest of the way, and you'll see from the side, that is what it looks like with the gussets. Isn't that amazing? I love that it has the gussets. The best part about them is that you can actually undo them. Now there's a snap here because I think with the Velcro alone, they would have come undone a lot. But with the snap there, that just secures them. So you don't have to worry about that. But you can undo it all the way on both sides and it just lays flat, which I feel like if you used the changing pad with this bag, because it does come with one, I feel like if you did this, like you could use this bag as a changing station. Isn't that cool? So I love the changing pad that comes with it. It's nice and squishy. So let me finish going through this area here. As long as it's standing, it's working for me. So there's actually two large mesh pockets. It's not gonna stand. It's because I have my laptop in the back and it's super heavy back there. So I have the large piece here from the 3-piece pouch set, which I think is a great size. But let's go ahead and get into this bag. And here I have 2 pairs of underwear and 2 pairs of socks, and that I like to just keep those types of things separate. One of the things I really like about this bag over a large set piece is that it actually has a zipper compartment here, unless they've updated that on that. So I have a couple of panty liners in here as well, just in case, but that's what I had in the large piece. So now that the inside, this inside part is empty, let's take a closer look. There is a large elastic pocket back here, which I think is a great place to keep the change pad if you're going to use this bag as a diaper bag. If you're not, it would actually fit a laptop if you didn't want to use the back sleeve for that, but I feel like that's just perfect for that. You have 2 elastic mesh pockets in the very front here. They are separated by this seam in the front, so I like that separation. I'm gonna go ahead and flip this around. On the very front here, this is the pocket that I pulled my wallet out of, and then you have a mesh pocket in the front here, which is where I just chose to put the laundry bag by JuJuBe, which I love. This is perfect for washing clothes or JuJuBe bags, so it's great for travel. So that's all that I had in the front and the main compartment. Let's go ahead and go through the back. All right, so this is the top of the bag, and as I mentioned, this zipper compartment goes like halfway down on both sides, and you have a double zipper opening. This is what it looks like from the back, but as you can see, the part that backs up to the main compartment of the bag, you have a zipper compartment here. I'm not sure if I put anything in there. Oh, I did. So in this pocket, I have a phone charger block along with my phone charger. It's a great place to keep your electronics cords and things. So that's all I had in that one. And I'm gonna go ahead and flip it around so you guys can see how I have the rest packed up. This is what I've got in here. I'm pretty sure this is a 13-inch laptop, so I actually think I have a little bit more space. So if you had a slightly larger laptop, I think it would fit in there. I'm gonna have to empty out this pocket first. So I have the medium-sized piece from the 3-piece pouch set. And in here, I just have some planner goodies. So I have my scissors. I have 2 packs of planner stickers. There they are, there's 2. And then I have all of my gel pens, because those are a must-have when I'm using my planners. So I just love the size of this pouch. It fit all that stuff perfectly. So that I just had kind of standing up and down in this mesh pocket right here. Down in the very front, because you do have a small amount of space, and I want to say very small, but I had my charging cable down there for my laptop. This also would have fit nicely like that. But this is my planner. Is this not, sorry, I have to show you guys this. Is this not the cutest planner? I haven't started writing in it yet because, as you can see, it's 2025, but it does start. I have to show you guys how adorable this is. I love it. You know how much I love Donatella. It has so many great things in here. I was so excited to see this. So, and it's actually a horizontal planner, which is how I plan anyway. So I can actually start using that this month, which is amazing. So isn't that super cute? I love it. So that is the planner that I have in here. I also love how thin it is. So that's awesome. So that I just had kind of in front of my laptop. But as you can see, this is my laptop. I have some room to spare. I want to say, if you look here, I think I have a whole nother like inch of space. So maybe a 14-inch laptop can fit in here if they make them that size. But there's my laptop. And this whole backpack is padded like everywhere. So you have a padded back here. This is a padded sleeve. This part is padded between the main compartment, and then the very bottom of the bag is padded as well. So, I mean, it's got so much going for it, you guys. I would love to hear down in the comments below what your favorite thing is about the classic backpack, because there are just so many wonderful things about it. And I love it and highly recommend it, especially for travel or as a diaper bag. It's amazing. Once again, if you guys want to shop JuJuBe with me, I will leave my affiliate link down in the description below for you, and you guys can shop through that anytime. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel while you're here if you're new. Thanks for watching!